Feadship is dedicated to helping sustain the unique signatures of their yachts. The best place to maintain or refit a Feadship is at our own shipyards. But as our yachts become more refined and complex, Feadship wants to better help owners to retain their yachts remotely without ever having to compromise on quality. For years, we have flown our craftsmen around the world to maintain and refit our Feadship fleet. With Feadship Services Network, we have standardized this procedure by entering into a cooperation with 4 renowned shipyards. Each of these shipyards has unrivaled facilities and operational excellence. Through this network, we are making Feadship's involvement in the maintenance and refits more accessible than ever. Feadship Services Network significantly reduces travel expenses, shortens the lines of communication, and enhances the exchange of proprietary information. Moreover, our partner yards assign their most experienced project managers to Feadship projects, managers who have trained at Feadship and understand our organization, the way we work, and our uncompromised quality. By combining Feadship's strengths with those of our partners, we can deliver the ultimate customer experience outside the Netherlands. Feadship Services Network offers 2 support options. With Feadship Control, we are the main contractor and we oversee the entire project at our partner facilities. Because of our hands-on involvement, all work receives the same Feadship warranties and guarantees as provided in our own shipyards. Feadship Control is the preferred option for extensive refits outside the Netherlands because it delivers the highest quality attainable at a non-Feadship yard. All work is documented and certified by Feadship. Our second option is Feadship On-Site Consultancy, where a dedicated Feadship representative oversees the project from inception to final delivery at our partner's shipyard. Because the work is carried out by our partners and not by Feadship, the warranties and guarantees are issued by the partners and not Feadship itself. With Feadship acting as an inspector and advisor, we bring our in-depth knowledge of the yachts, fault prevention expertise, and quality control. When the work is done in accordance with our specifications, we provide written verification and documentation of our involvement. Feadship Services Network is a giant leap forward for the Feadship community. It provides Feadship owners and operators more opportunities to sustain the identity, integrity, and resale value of their Feadships. It also offers owners something almost as valuable as the Feadship itself: peace of mind.